Hello, good morning student, welcome again. We will take grammar, the past tense today. Last week we have taken the present tense, today we are taking the past tense. Okay. Now first we will take the simple past tense. What is the simple past tense? The simple past tense refer to action that happened in the past, I told you that last week we have done present tense, done. Did not, done, we have done. So, that is past. Okay. So, and which were regular done in the past. So, that is simple past tense. Example, I ate 2 slices of cheesecake. I ate, eat, ate, eaten. Eat is present. Okay. Ate is past. I ate, I ate already. Okay. So, this is I ate 2 slices of cheesecake. Now, next is past continuous tense. Past but continuous. In continuous what we are adding children? We are adding ing. So, past but continuous tense. So, verb that shows action that continues for some time in the past are said to be in the past continuous tense. See, verb that shows action that continued for some time in the past are said to be in the past continuous tense. Past, but it is continuous tense. So, how it is? Now, the past continuous tense has the form was, were plus present participles form of the verb. See, the past continuous tense has the form. What is the, how is it is formed? It is formed by adding was or were plus present participles form of the verb. We will see with the example here. He was, he here, then was eating his tiffin rather slowly, means he was eating. Here is continuous, eating is continuous tense. Okay. So, now we will go to the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that has taken place in the past before another action that also happened in the past. The past perfect tense. It is past but perfect. First we have taken simple past and second we have taken past continuous, putting ing, was and were plus present participle. And here the past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that has taken place in the past before, in the past, but another action that also happened in the past. It is perfect. Past but perfect. Okay. Another action, it is in the past before another action that also happened, action also happened in the past. We will see with the example, we will see the train had left the station by the time we arrived. The train has left, already left, that is perfect. The train had is past and left is, that is perfect, past but perfect. The train had left the station by the time we arrived means when we reached there the train had already arrived. The train had, when we arrived there the train had already left, that is past perfect. Okay. It is not the train is standing, it is not continuous, but the train had left, past and left is perfect, means already it is left, no doubt. Now, we will take past perfect continuous tense, past perfect but it is continuous. It is past perfect also and continuous tense also. For that what we are doing? For that we will see the past perfect continuous tense refer to an action that took place in the past and continued until a specific time in the past. Means the past perfect continuous tense refer to an action that took place in the past, and continue until specific time in the past. It continue for the some special period of time. Example, see example. He had been studying in Pune for the last 5 years. See, he had is past, been studying is perfect and continuous. In Pune for the last 5 years means specific period of time. See, here see the present, the past perfect continuous tense refer to an action that took place in the past and continued until specific time in the past. See, specific time means last 5 years. Okay, student. So, here, so you have to means keep in mind past perfect continuous, in that we have to add had been studying in past perfect continuous tense, had been studying, and then in the year what it is, the past perfect tense we have to use had and left, perfect, and then in the this past continuous, in past continuous what we are adding, was eating, ing, putting ing, okay. And simple, in simple what we are adding, simple I ate means past tense, I eat, no, I ate, 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 okay. So, simple past, the simple past tense refer to action that happened in the past or were regular done in the past, okay. Then past continuous tense, verb that shows action that continued for some time in the past are said to be in the past continuous tense. Then here past perfect, the past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that had taken place in the past before another action that also happened in the past. Now here the past perfect continuous, the past perfect continuous tense refer to an action that took place in the past and continue until a specific time in the past. Then here some exercise are there. So, fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the given verb. Mother Teresa dedicated. So, between two we have to choose one. So, this we have done. The police took, the break and take. So, take will change into took, okay. Then he rewarded, awarded and reward. So, reward will change into rewarded, ed, okay. He gave, he dash make give up, he give is present and gave is past, okay. So, next exercise, he cheat or tricked, ed will come, tricked, okay. Now, fill in the blanks with the past perfect tense of the given verb. So, here what we will do? We dash visit Goa when we travelled to Mumbai last year. We had visited, see had and visited, visited, okay. The children had gone, gone, okay. Go had gone, we will put the children had gone, okay. They had known, okay. Here they knew that he had been, for B we will use had been, for B had been, okay student. If the it is in the bracket B, So, we will use had been. Then he had just connected, okay, the wires. Connect, connected, connect, connected. Now, fill in the blanks with the past perfect continuous tense of the given past perfect continuous. We have already studied now past, but it is perfect and it is continuous. So, she had been studying. See, had been is also there and studying. She had been studying, studying, had been studying we have to put, because it is past perfect, had been. Here had been warming, had been, some scientist had been. Then we had been preparing, preparing, okay, we have to put had been also. So, these exercises are there, we will put, I will put in the PDF, you can note it down. Few exercise, I have done only 5 for you, the rest you have to do, okay student. Till then, we will meet again very soon. Thank you.